Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado is featured in the custom Trail Boss trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as our 18-inch black alloy wheels, our black running boards, a powered liftgate, as well as our trailering package with trailer brake controller and auto-locking rear differential, and heated powered outside mirrors. First, in the front of the vehicle, we can see a chrome finish door handle, our door locks and unlocks. Moving down onto the door panel itself, we have the controls for our powered outside mirrors, window locks, as well as our powered window controls. The bottom of the door features some additional storage. Up and to the left of the steering wheel is our tow haul mode button, as well as our drive mode select. Then below it is our lighting controls, including in-bed lighting and display cluster lighting. Moving to the middle, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. The left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings. Moving to the middle, we can see our touchscreen infotainment system. We have our AM/FM audio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as our Bluetooth audio and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If we swipe to the right, we can see our backup camera with adaptive guidelines, as well as a hitch guidance. Below it, we can see that we have extra buttons, including our home button, our next track buttons, as well as our volume control and power button, and a button to call our phone. Then below it, we have our front climate control. The buttons across the bottom are downhill assist, powered liftgate button, hazard lights, as well as our traction control. Then we have our trailer brake controller, which also includes a auto locking rear differential, a USB, and a flip open 12-volt plug. Then above the rear view mirror is our OnStar buttons, rear check reminder, as well as our lighting controls. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see that they are finished in our jet black cloth, and that is featured throughout the vehicle. Our center console also functions as a third seat, but we can see it has two cup holders, some storage. Then we can flip it up by simply pushing on the bottom, and we can see that it becomes a full-size third seat for the front of the vehicle. Now moving down the side of the vehicle, we can see our Z71 to signify our off-road package. Moving down to our wheels and tires, we can see that we have a 18-inch black rim in a Chevrolet bow tie center cap in the center. It is wrapped in a Goodyear tire. We can also see above it that we have our 2-inch factory lift. Moving to our mirrors, we have heated powered outside mirrors in a black finish, as well as our black door handles to match the paint. Across the bottom, we have our black running board. Moving towards the back of the vehicle, in the side, we can see that we have our corner steps. Moving all the way to the back, we can see our Chevrolet logo across the middle, as well as our Silverado and custom logo, and our trailer hitch at the bottom. On the bottom of our powered liftgate button, we can see our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Hitting the button to open our liftgate, we can see inside of our bed. At the front and back of the bed, we have all of our cable tie downs, as well as our in-bed lighting on both sides. We can see we have plenty of room to tow anything that we need to tow, as well as store things. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle on the inside, powered window control, and storage throughout the door, as well as our speaker. Inside the vehicle, between the front two seats, we have two vents. Moving to the seats in the back of the vehicle, we have three of them, all finished in our black cloth. At the bottom, we can open up our seats for some extra storage by simply pushing up. And we can see that we make plenty of storage space with our 60/40 fold-up seating. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.